In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make the most out of using Grab for your food deliveries. Whether you're new to the platform or a seasoned user, this guide will ensure the process is smooth, straightforward, and perhaps even help you save a bit of money along the way. So let's dive right into it. First off, to kickstart your journey with Grab, you'll want to head over to their website. You'll find everything neatly laid out in front of you, from food delivery options to other services Grab has to offer. Once there, you'll land on the home page with a myriad of choices at your fingertips. Make sure to log in or sign up if you haven't already, as this will give you access to all features and offers available to you. Now, after selecting those delicious items you've been craving and adding them to your cart, it's time to view what you've picked. This is the moment when you double check your selection for any last minute changes or additions before moving forward. To do this, simply click on the cart icon, usually found at the top right corner of the page. This gives you a neat summary of your order, complete with prices and expected delivery times. Once you're satisfied with your selections, let's walk through enhancing your savings. One key way to do this is by utilizing promo codes that Grab regularly offers. These can provide significant discounts on your total bill. Click on the field marked for promo codes, usually visible as a link just before you proceed to payment. It's designed to be easily accessible, so locating it shouldn't be too daunting. Now input the promo code you have. If you're wondering where to find these codes, they often appear in Grab's newsletters, on social media pages, or through promotional partnerships. Be sure to double check its validity, as some codes might be time sensitive or only applicable to certain users. Finally, after inputting your promo code, there should be an obvious confirmation or notification showing how much was deducted from your total. This is always a relief, knowing you've secured a good deal for yourself. Now you can proceed to pay, using the payment option most convenient for you. From credit cards to GrabPay, they cover it all. To sum up, making the most out of your Grab experience is fairly straightforward. By following these simple steps, you can easily enhance your orders, secure promotions, and ultimately streamline your food delivery process. Thanks so much for joining me today, and happy ordering.